Alright, so in this example we're being asked to find the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios for angle P. So what I do is I like to always go ahead and circle my angle that I'm using, and so it's P. So then from this point I like to go ahead and write out what the sides are. So the one that doesn't touch P at all is going to be our opposite. And then we always know what our hypotenuse is, because it's the longest side, the side that's opposite of that 90 degrees. And that leaves the only other one is the adjacent. So one quick thing here, we do not have the hypotenuse, but we know how to find it. So if I did 8 squared plus 15 squared, I'm going to get my hypotenuse squared, which I'm going to label as C. So 8 squared is 64, 15 squared is 225, and so we know that that's going to be equal to C squared. So 225 plus 64, that's 289. And when you take the square root of that, you get 17 is equal to C. So I'm going to write that in right over here. So now they're asking us for the trig ratios here. What's the sine, cosine, and the tangent? So the sine of angle P has to be equal to my opposite over my hypotenuse. So it's going to be 15 over 17. My cosine of angle P is my adjacent, which is 8, over my hypotenuse, which is 17. And the last one, my tangent of angle P, is the opposite over the adjacent.